Bingo Cash keeps gameplay information inside the app. So when your match history suddenly disappears, the safest first step is to refresh the app and confirm you're signed into the correct account before reinstalling anything. By the end, you'll know how to check your account, refresh Bingo Cash, protect your existing progress, and contact support if your match history still does not return. Start by completely closing Bingo Cash and opening it again. Then return to the section where your previous matches normally appear, and check whether the history has loaded. If the history is still missing, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen Bingo Cash. A connection problem can prevent information from loading correctly, even when the rest of the app appears to work. Next, confirm you're using the same Bingo Cash account you normally use. Bingo Cash says existing users can sign in by selecting Sign In, entering their registered phone number, and completing verification with the code they receive. Or bingocash.com. https support.bingocash.com. HC and US articles 4,428,319,197,969. How do I log into my account? At nonsourcechatchat.com? This matters because logging into a different account can make your previous activity appear to be missing, even though the original account still contains it. After checking the account, open Google Play on Android or the App Store on iPhone and search for Bingo Cash. If an update button is available, install the current version. Bingo Cash recommends updating the app because updates can include improvements and new features. Support bingocash.com. Support bingocash.com. HC and US articles 4,461,226,025,745. Why should I update the app? At msourcechat.com. Then reopen the updated app and check the match history again. Avoid uninstalling Bingo Cash as your first troubleshooting step. If you eventually reinstall it, make sure your account is registered first. Bingo Cash says, registered accounts can be accessed again after reinstalling, while unregistered progress may not be recoverable. mcash.com. https support bingocash.com. HC in US articles 4,300,300,475,281. What happens if I delete the game? Sourcechatchat.com. If your match history is still missing after restarting, checking the connection, confirming the correct account, and updating the app, contact Bingo Cash support. Before contacting support, take screenshots of the screen where the history should appear. Also include the account information requested by support and explain which matches or activity are missing. The main checks are straightforward. Refresh Bingo Cash, verify your connection, confirm the correct account, update the app, and avoid deleting the app until your account is secured. Wide cell. Your next step is to screenshot the missing history screen before contacting support, because that gives them a clear record of what you're seeing. If this fixed your missing Bingo Cash match history, like the video and subscribe for more Bingo Cash fixes.